During the training, we always trying to use a few different techniques to install paint protection film. One of them is using pre-cuts, templates, and other technique is just installing custom bulk method. So guys already did bulk and now they're doing template installation. So, how are you going?
Very good.
Very good, I think.
I think. So, what is easier, bulk or templates?
Bulk.
Bulk?
Yeah, I think so,
Okay.
actually.
So far doesn't look too bad, but you need to continue to do. Working with the templates is very important to align every single edge perfectly, because if we're gonna have too much film there, then we're gonna have not enough there. So we need to focus on this line and as well on that line, because we want to install without using knife at all. As well, like this edge, we need to align it perfectly straight, because if there is a bit too much, that's a bit too much. So, or we need to move it, or we will need to cut it shorter. We already installed PPF on the bonnet. We tried headlights, but these headlights are a bit tricky. Just look at them. They're messed up. We can't tint them. We can, but it takes too much time. We need to trim everywhere, lay it, so it's a bit complicated. So last day, first day, we were practicing on the mirrors. That's how we need to stretch mirror without template. And this side, fender is finished as well. Last bit to do during the training is the front bumper. This time we're gonna use pre-cut template. With the bumper, it's very important to align every single line, as well to align sensors. And in this case, even we need to align this horse. To pass bronze certification, you need to know three main things: how to stretch right mirror, how to lay template on the fender, and how to cut on the panel without cutting the paint. So now guys gonna do mirror. We just did cut test on our cutting machine. So this bing plate. So everyone passed, everything was fine. And now is the time for the mirrors. So thank you very much for coming. That's your certificate. That's first step in the PPF. And if you need any help, just you always can contact Eddie or me. Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you very much. On Morten, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
I hope you learned something.
You too.
If not, your problems.
Yes.
So, and Bashkim, like that, yeah. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
That's your certificate.
Thank you very much.
And good luck in the future. Now you have a first steps, and you need to just practice, and practice. Today we have a second session of GSWF bronze certification training here in Oslo, and in this group we have 6 guys. So now is the second day, and I already showed how to install PPF on the fender, and now guys do by themselves. So we have one guy on one fender working, another one on another side. We use pre-cuts. So as well we have a extra car, Tesla, because it's 6 people, so we want to have 2 cars. And we are installing clear PPF on this fender. As well, we tinted this headlight yesterday. After fenders will be done, we're gonna jump on the front bumper. We have 2 different cars, so on one of them we're gonna use bulk method, on other one we're gonna use template. So guys, thank you very much for attending to this certification. It's like first step. It's I hope you learned something. Some of you have more skills. Other people still need to practice more. But thank you for taking information and practicing and learning how to do at least first steps. And yeah, thank you for coming. So Jan.